1. Whole eggs. Eggs are very filling and nutrient-dense. Compared to subtle carbs like bagels, eggs can suppress appetite later within the day and should even promote weight loss. Four. Lean beef and chicken breast. Eating lean meat is a great way to increase your protein intake. Replacing some carbohydrates or fats in your diet with protein can help you lose excess fats more easily. Five. Tuna. Tuna is an excellent source of high-quality, lean protein. Replacing other macronutrients, such as carbohydrates or fats, with protein is an effective strategy for losing weight when following a low-calorie diet. 6. Boiled potatoes. Boiled potatoes are one of the most satisfying foods for everyone. It is especially effective in reducing your appetite and potentially preventing you from eating later in the day. 7. Avocados. Avocado is a good example of a healthy source of fats that you can include in your diet while trying to lose weight. Just be sure to maintain a moderate intake of food. 8. Soups. Soup can be an effective part of a weight loss diet. Its high water content makes it plump. However, try to avoid soup or oil. 9. Nuts. Nuts can be a healthy addition to an effective weight loss diet when eaten in moderation, regularly and properly. 10. Fruit. Although the fruit contains sugar, you can easily include it in a weight loss diet. It is rich in fiber, antioxidants and various nutrients that slow down the rise in blood sugar after meals. 11. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs) that can increase feelings of fullness after meals. MCT oil supplements are more effective. 12. Full-fat yogurt. Probiotic yogurt can improve digestive health. Consider adding it to your diet to lose weight, but avoid products that contain added sugar. Bottom line is, it's easy to find healthy foods to include in a weight loss diet. These are mostly basic whole foods like fish, lean meats, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Many processed foods, such as yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, and oatmeal are also great options. Along with moderation and regular exercise, eating these nutritious foods should pave the way for success in a healthier life.